Now, when I decided to make these videos, I told myself it would be a really good idea to either succeed or fail in front of my audience, because someone's going to learn a lesson. So, as we know, I had my Neo put, I had my SQ calls, both somewhat in the negative when we started this video, but today in pre-market, I had predicted that Neo was going to hold out and the SQ was going to save the day. This is an important lesson I think everyone can learn, is if you plan your trades and you trade your plan, you won't allow the fear of never bouncing back play a role in your decision making. And what I mean by that is, as I saw this dip, I was screaming to myself, sell, 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 sell. But the plan was not to sell until Wednesday, or not to sell until I hit my 20 to 30% profit goal. So let's say, you know, it had gone to the moon as expected and it shot straight past my 35% goal, I would have sold at any point today. But if not, because of theta, which is time decay, my contracts expire on Friday. So the fact that I'm even still in these contracts is kind of like a desperate fight in itself. Because if I buy a month contract, I plan on selling it within 2 weeks. I always try and sell within 50% of the time that I have with the contract to avoid theta eating away at my shit. Okay, so today we are still fighting with SQ, fighting with Neo. Let's take a look at what we did today. We recovered mad losses, B. We recovered mad losses today. If you look at that, it's 174% by noon. A ban by lunchtime. It's a ban sandwich. So if we look at SQ, at some point today I wanted to sell. There was a point in time this morning where I wanted to sell and take my losses. I was thinking to myself, how could I come on this video and show you guys a brave face after losing 1,500? But we don't go like that. Okay, it's 5 p.m. now. At noon we were up $1,000. Let's see where we are now. So noon we were up $1,000. We ended the day up 500. That's not bad. We were down 67% on our SQ calls yesterday, and today we are only down 23%, leaving us at negative 23 overall. Hopefully tomorrow we can break even and just get out of there. If we can break even and get out of there, then I'll still be in the positive for the week, because technically these positions were bought with SQ profits from the previous week. But the goal is to always be ahead every week. So if we're just ahead 1% this week, that's still further ahead than we were last week. Not the worst, but we'll see where we're at tomorrow. So yeah, we recouped today. Let's see what Neo did. Neo, we lost another 50 today, but we have so much time with these puts, and I'm so confident that Neo's about to just take a tank any second now that I'm gonna just leave that where it's at. I'm gonna stay in my Neo position. I'm gonna hold my Neo puts until Friday. I'm gonna see what they do on Friday, but as of right now, I'm happy with what we did with SQ. Up 13% for the day. We'll see where we are tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day with these SQ calls. So hopefully we have a success story, or hopefully we learn something. But so far, so good. I'm not gonna talk my shit just yet, because I showed you 2,500. And I promised you I'm going to show you the journey to 25,000, 250,000, 2.5 million. So I'm not going to talk my shit just yet. But I came into this with a negative account, not a negative mindset, not a negative perspective. And I promised you a journey. My phone is dead, so I'm about to just talk my shit until my phone turns back on, so I can show you the results that we had today, and they're still climbing while I'm talking. So I had a plan and I charted the plan. I also did some research to confirm the plan. I then reached into my Discord group. I got everyone's opinion, and to my surprise, everyone got on board. So that was my confirmation, because I'm in that group to learn. So if I'm presenting information to the people that I'm learning from and they are hopping on the information, that's another check mark of confirmation. So I held, and like I told you, I feared not, and I doubled down. And we're not greedy. I could have doubled the entire portfolio again. But I didn't. I just pulled out when I seen a number I liked. I think I pulled out like 20 minutes ago. I've been dancing around the kitchen and shit. Not because the win was life-changing, but the win was confirmation of my planning. Where my phone at? Okay, my phone's back on now. Because I promise I'd have just stayed here and just kept talking my shit. As I further confirm, I ain't here to talk my shit. 3, 2, 1. Open Robinhood. Boom. We're up 1,400 for the day. Sorry, it's been an eventful morning. Let me talk my shit. Let me ask you guys. Just leave it in the comments. Yes or no. Can I talk my shit? These are our results right there. Boom. 675, 1,020, $800. I don't know math, but I remember it cost me 1,500. Yeah, good returns. Okay, majority of the plan is discipline. The other half is planning. We'll get into the planning part in a second, but let's just touch on the discipline part. I like percentages because, like I said before, 20 to 35%. That's all I need. I could go in and I could, SQ has been going up hours after I sold it immediately. I sold it as soon as I saw a number I liked. I sold 5 for 800. I sold 3 for 2,000. Then I sold the last 3 for 675. Wait, the last 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit. No, I sold 5 for 675 a piece. I was supposed to sell 3, but they all executed. I was going to hold on to 2. But nonetheless, that's still a 56% return. I'm happy with my 56%. I only wanted 20 to 35. 56 is almost a double win. What we're going to do is we're going to wait till Friday. Friday's a sell-off date. We're going to hawk the charts, see what sells off the most, and see if we can find some good entries. Do all the necessaries, like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you next week. Happy trading.